Hello everyone, I am Deborah bringing you another low carb recipe that you can use whether you are following a low carb diet or not. And today, you guys, it happens to be a low carb, high protein strawberry Frosty. And before we get into today's recipe, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. And before you leave, please remember to give this video a like and a share, and I think that you are going to like. And I do believe that you are going to share because you guys making another delicious recipe out of cottage cheese. So let's get right into this recipe. So come in close and I am going to bring it to you coming up next. In my NutriBullet blender, I already have my cottage cheese, which was previously blended. So now it's smooth and creamy. And if you watch any of my other videos that I use cottage cheese, what I do is when I purchase it, I go ahead and put it into my NutriBullet, blend it up so it's smooth and creamy, put it back in the container. So when I'm ready to make my recipes using it, it's ready when I'm ready. Okay, so to this, we are going to add some protein powder, sweetener of choice. And today, for point of reference, I'm using allulose, our strawberries, and these have been frozen. I do have some unfrozen ones at the bottom because I didn't have enough. And then some more ice because again, this is a Frosty. Put the lid on this, you guys, and then we are going to blend. All right, guys, this is blended. Take a look at that. We've got ourselves a Frosty. Okay, let me get my serving container and then we are going to give this a taste. Okay, everyone, and here we have it. Low carb, high protein strawberry Frosty. Lord, I thank you. So good. Absolutely delicious, you guys. And I will tell you, the key to making this Frosty a Frosty is making sure that you've got enough frost in it, whether it be a combination of the fruit being frozen along with some additional ice or fresh strawberries as I have here, along with enough ice. Otherwise, you guys, you are going to end up, and how do I know? Because it's happened to me. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a strawberry smoothie, which is delicious itself, okay? And if that's what you want, then go for it. But again, I was trying to achieve a Frosty. Now, what I can do with this is drink it as is or put it in the freezer for a little while to get that frost effect and you are good to go. But I just wanted to let you know in advance, based on my experience, you've got to use enough ice. So you guys, give this a try. And when you do, let me know how much you love it. Leave it in the comments. Remember to give this video a like and a share. And also, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so very much. Remember, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special, just as I am, because you guys, I am on the go with this. So what I'm going to do is put it in my travel container. You can purchase one of these for yourselves if you go to my merchandise shop, which I will leave in the description, and continue to make it your own kind of special as well. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next Fit 550 and enjoy.